In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Stripe payout history. To get started, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where Stripe gives you an overview of your account activity. From here, the goal is to navigate to the area that shows money moving from your Stripe balance to your bank account. On the left-hand sidebar, click Balances. This section is where Stripe organizes the funds in your account, including what's available, what's pending, and what has already been sent out. If you're trying to track past deposits or confirm when a transfer was issued, this is the right place to be. After that, open the Payouts tab. This tab is specifically focused on payouts sent from Stripe, so it gives you a clearer view of your payout history than the general balance overview. Once you're there, you'll be able to browse the list of payouts associated with your account. Take a moment to scroll through the list and review both completed and pending payouts. Completed payouts have already been processed, while pending payouts are still on the way. This is useful if you're checking whether a payment has already reached your bank or if it's still being processed by Stripe. If you want more information about a specific payout, click on it to open the details page. Inside, you can review the payout amount, its current status, the destination bank account, and the payout date. These details can help you verify exactly where the money was sent and when the transfer was scheduled or completed. If you need to locate one payout among many, use the available date range options or filters to narrow down the results. This can save time, especially if your account has a long payout history or if you're searching for a payout from a specific period. Once you've selected a payout, review the transactions included in it. This part is especially helpful because it shows which charges, payments, or balance movements were grouped together in that payout. If you're reconciling records or comparing Stripe activity with your bank deposits, this view gives you the breakdown you need. When you're done reviewing that payout, return to the payouts list to continue viewing additional payout history. You can repeat the same process for any other payout you want to inspect. And that's it. You now know how to view Stripe payout history, check payout details, and find the transactions included in each transfer. Thanks for watching.